Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Sukiyaki Don. It's sukiyaki on top of rice. I love sukiyaki on top, but I also love the rice underneath that soaked up all the tasty broth. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with this Sukiyaki Don, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 2 cups of Japanese rice, shimeji mushroom, 4 eggs, Japanese leek, thinly sliced beef. Any kind of beef will do, but thinly sliced. 3 tablespoons each of soy sauce, sake, mirin, and sugar. 1 teaspoon of hondashi, instant Japanese soup stock. I'm cooking the rice first, so let's rinse it. Add some water. Stir gently. Drain. And just repeat this 3 or 4 times. Put the rice in the pot. It's 2 cups of rice, so I'm adding 2 cups of water. Rice and water, it's always 1 to 1. Put the lid on and soak the rice in this water more than half an hour. This is to give enough time for rice to soak up the water to the core, so the rice is nice and fluffy to the core when it's cooked. In the meantime, let's make soft boiled egg. So prepare 1 liter of boiling water. Make sure it's fully boiling like this. Turn the heat off and add 100 milliliter of cold water and the eggs. Straight out from the fridge. Put the lid on and leave it for 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes, so let's take them out in ice water. Then back to the rice. Just turn the heat on and cook it over medium-high heat until it comes to boil. Now it's boiling. Turn the heat to low as you can go and set the timer for 12 minutes. Cook for 12 minutes. Kill the heat, keep the lid on and steam at least for 10 minutes. Now let's get to the sukiyaki part. So Japanese leek. Cut the top off because it's dried out. And slice diagonally. Shimeji mushroom. Cut the bottom off and just break into pieces. Put 3 tablespoons each of water, sake, soy sauce, mirin, and sugar. 1 teaspoon of hondashi, instant Japanese soup stock, into the frying pan and heat it up. Add beef. And leek. And cook for a few minutes. When the beef is almost cooked, push them aside to make some space for shimeji mushroom. And add shimeji here. Shimeji mushroom becomes bitter when it's overcooked, so make sure not to cook it too long. Everything is cooked through, so it's done. Rice should be ready by now. Fluff it. Serve in the bowl. Sukiyaki on top. Soft boiled egg in a small bowl. Then on top of sukiyaki, don't forget to put some broth. Shichimi, Japanese chili mix if you like. And Sukiyaki Don is ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。Salty sweet sukiyaki with creamy egg is so good. And the rice underneath is just amazing. Delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. Sukiyaki Don is like a combination of rice and main dish, so let's put it here and nothing here. Sukiyaki Don is kind of heavy, so let's have something light and refreshing for the side dishes. So vegetable sticks with miso mayo dipping sauce for one of them, and some sort of pickles either off the shelf or homemade for the other one. Mushroom miso soup or any miso soup you like here, and the meal is ready. I hope you enjoy! That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.